Hey everybody, it's Ole Pops here, and today I'm going to give you a tip on how I use Panoptix LiveScope to help me catch shad. Now first of all, let's talk a little bit about LiveScope. It is a live view that runs forward or down depending on the setting that you have it, depending on the way you have your trolling motor facing. And when I'm catching shad, I've got my transducer on forward view, and it looks exactly the same direction as the head on my trolling motor, so I always know which way it's looking. And man, does this really help you key in on exactly where to throw your cast net when you're trying to catch shad. Now if you've noticed, I'm scanning left and right and forward as my trolling motor moves, and there you can see a ball of shad getting ready to come directly underneath my trolling motor. So I know these shad have came, and now they are on somewhere on the left side of the boat, and as I scan my trolling motor left, there they are. I can see exactly where they are according to where the head of my trolling motor is pointing, and I'm getting ready to cast. Watch this as I slow it down, and let's see what happens. Now that shad net is falling directly on that shad school, and as you can see, I threw the shad net exactly in front of where that trolling motor was pointed. So there are the shad getting caught live in that shad net, and I am telling you, if you have to catch shad a lot or you have to use a cast net a lot, you might want to seriously consider investing in this technology because it will make your life so much easier. Hey, my buddy Todd and I had a great time fishing in the Charger VMAG up at Lake of the Ozarks on the Osage River arm. We were successful at finding our bait quickly, and we caught some really nice blue cats. I hope these tips help you, and as always, good luck out there.